What's good guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we're going to be talking about more crypto, some more XRP, and I found out some really cool information where if we go to the daily chart, you can see that we have managed to stay inside of this really big triangle formation, which is very shocking. It's very big. It's like basically on the weekly chart, so it's going to take a very long time to play out, if anything. And as you can see, it's a valid formation. We've been in this formation since at least 2017, which is a long time, and we could be in this formation till at least 2026 at the latest, maybe 27, you know, like in the worst case scenario, 2027 is the longest time it could take to break out. But with the strength of this move up, it seems to me that we could go and touch the top line. Like, whenever we do make a move up, we don't just stop, right? We went there, but that was on a downtrend. We're not on a downtrend, we're on an uptrend. So we have to assume that it's going to be like one of these. You go up a little bit, you pull back a little bit, but then you go up more. But then you pull back a little bit, but then you go up more until you touch your resistance line. And then you pull back, and then it's the downtrend. Same thing here. So this bit doesn't count anymore. Now we start again here. You go up a little bit, you pull back. You go up a little bit, you pull back. You go up a little bit, you pull back. And now we're going up a little bit. So the only logical sense is that we pull back and then go back up to touch this part. But are we going to break out, or are we going to pull back? That's the question everybody's asking. So, it's really hard to tell, really, because, like, you got one bounce here, one bounce here, one bounce here. That's three equal bounces there. You got one bounce here, and presumably you're going to have another bounce here. That's three equal bounces on both sides. That's a symmetrical triangle. So it really is hard to decide which direction it is going to go. So we are going to assume that it's going to go in the direction that the trend is going. So your trend is your friend until the very end. That is the saying, guys. That is the saying. So make sure you keep that in mind. And now that we're in an uptrend, we're just going to have to assume that within the next few months, we should be seeing a breakout, or at least a touch of this yellow line. Now let's move into my other charts, right? Because that's not the only chart that I have. So we can go on to this one, right? And that's not quite the one that I was hoping for. Where's my one where we were showing at the beginning? Aha, here it is. So this is the one. Now you can see here, this is the one that I actually predicted on video that I thought would happen. And then this would have been like the last case scenario, the worst case scenario. I'm actually shocked that it's actually playing out. It's actually insane right now. So you can see this is like the 2021 bull market sort of thing. Although the lines are a bit weird. This is the line going up like that kind of. So yeah, basically like that. And kind of almost broke out, but then it was just 9 straight weeks of down because nobody knows why. Well, if you do enough research, you can find out why. But not off the top of my head right now. It was a long time ago. I only started really paying attention recently. So you can see here, I only started paying attention literally around here because I was like, this could be the biggest opportunity of anybody's life. Why wouldn't I take it? It could be also the biggest opportunity to get wrecked, you know? But it's 50-50, so I took it. So let's go on to any other charts, right? So you got XLM, right? So XLM down here, it's also making its way up, kinda. I wouldn't really trust XLM. You got one low, two low, deviation low, and then basically skyrocket up. I wouldn't really trust this one because it's not XRP. Anything that's not XRP, I don't trust. XLM is kind of like XRP, just for person to person, not bank to bank. So kind of similar technology. Algorand, they've also got the kiss of death from Gary Gensler. They said they were very liked with Gary, and you could build Uber on top of Algorand, but now it is a security. So, it's up 5%. Anything that's worth making money, it's like 12 cents right now, so, Oh, 1 inch is up 10%. Let's have a look what's going on here. A downtrend. Of course, it is a literal downtrend. It's not even broke out of the downtrend. It is absolutely disgraceful. Anything else that we've got up at all? Going into the things that I don't actually own, you got, they got Algorand again there for some reason. Yep. It's crashing. And then Terra Luna is gone now as well. RIP Terra Luna. And then FTT is also gone. You guys remember them too. And yeah, that is basically everything. The market's not really moving. XRP looks like it could be breaking out today. And possibly if we get that breakout today, I'm hoping if it gets anywhere above 5%, then, the goal has been achieved. Let's go on to the closer time frame here, right? You can see here that we are kind of going up, but however, we did touch this resistance line, which was support over here, but now it's been flipped into resistance, was rejected right there, and we are slowly turning over. What happens if we go onto the Heikin-Ashi? Go to the Heikin-Ashi candles and just see what that looks like, because, I don't really use that. Oh, actually, it does say we are kind of in an uptrend, kind of. However, it is dying off and curving over, but it still has the chance to do a big push up, So I'm hoping that it does that. And obviously, everybody else is hoping that it does that. But what if we just get another one of these where it just makes the previous price action look like nothing? Where if we zoom in to where it actually looks like something on the chart, you can see how big this move actually is, right? So, boom. This is how big it is, guys. Like, when we say XRP moves, it moves. We can just keep scrolling up, keep going up, keep going up until it stops. And even here, like, look, this is a big move still, and that's today, and it could still continue. You know what I mean? So, it's always a good idea to have a little bit inside of XRP. If you're taking profits, don't sell the entire thing in the same way that you don't bet the entire farm on when it's going up. So that's my thoughts. Take it as it is, not financial advice, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye!